Hello, local business owner. Today, we're going to learn how to create Google Ads account. So, before we're going to learn how to create Google Ads account, we'll talking about why we will create Google Ads account. So, if you want to run Google Ads account for your business, then we need to create a Google Ads account. So, you can ask me what we need. Um, to create Google Ads account, we need a Gmail or any kind of mail, and also we need a cards which currency is accepted by Google. So normally dollars and euros and lots of currency are accepted uh, by Google, so we can use it. So if you I don't have any dollar currency, so you contact with your bank. So let's start. So we're in the browser, and you can search Google Ads. So we'll find this. So we'll enter this website, Google Ads account, and Google Ads sign in or start now. So um, we are going to create Google Ads account. That's why we select start now. I have already a Google Ads account. That's why I'm showing. Uh, they are showing this. The website showing this. So I'm going to delete my ads account now. It's asking to sign in. So new Google Ads account. So we are in this web page. So create your first campaign. So no worries, just click here, create your first campaign. Uh, so what is your business name? So you can give here your business name, and you also can give there give your name. So I'm going to give my name. Where should people go after checking your ads? So, who, where in which website you want to run your Google Ads, you have to keep uh, the URL of this website. So, I am going to give a random website because I'm just making it. I'm going to making it. So you have to put their your website's URL. So next, skip, skip, skip. So now uh, these options is here. Leave the campaign you creation. You already create this type of uh, ca- campaign. If you want to leave, then click here, leave. So you can click here, leave the campaign creation. Now here is the web page for payment method. So I think I know you know that how to create billing method, and I mean how to add billing method. So I'm not going to uh, there. Uh, okay, I'm just going to see a little bit. Um Select your billing country, select your time zone, select your currency, Then we'll click here to continue. Then fill up each and everything which select each and every information which is you have. And now after the fill up each and every information, you will find these two options. So want personal guideline for Google Ads is it by phone or message messaging apps. So I prefer that you select no, and also get tips, promo and offers, testing feedback and promotion new feature invited by email. I also prefer no. If you want, then you can select yes, and then you will select submit. If you select submit here, I hope that I your account will be completed, and the congratulations, your account, your Google Ads account has been created. It's very simple. If you feel any problem to creating any kind of problem uh, to create Google Ads account, then you can knock me in my WhatsApp. I will keep the WhatsApp number uh, in my descriptions, and also you can if you feel any problem to learning Google Ads or for to using this series, then you can join with our groups, which is there is always have some lots of people to talking about Google Ads, talking about their business. You can join there. I am also give the suggestion all of them. So uh, come with them and give the feedback. Give the make the comments below of my videos. How mm, you feel to learn Google Ads, and if you give any if you have any problem, you can knock me anytime, no problem. So no more today. Be happy, have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.